Let's be real, there are tons of investment platforms out there. But I have personally stuck with Wealthsimple for over 3 years now. Why? Because it has zero trading fees. In addition to that, it is so simple to use that even if you haven't touched any investment app before in your life, you can easily understand the mechanism. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I use Wealthsimple to grow my money step by step and how you can do it by yourself, even with just like $1. First thing first, you have to download the app. So just go to any app store and download the Wealthsimple app. Once you download it, open it up and sign up through your email, set up the passport, and boom, you are inside the app. Here's what the app looks like from inside. Next, you'll need to open an investment account. And here's where a lot of beginners mess up. They choose the wrong account and end up paying some unnecessary taxes. And we don't want it. So here is a simple breakdown for you. So there are two types of accounts. First, registered account, and second, no registered account. In registered accounts, you will get tax benefits, and it includes TFSA, RRSP, and FHSA, first home saving account. But you don't need to open a non-registered account because you won't be getting any tax benefits. If you are just starting, I would recommend you to open a TFSA account. It is usually your best friend in this scenario. Your money grows tax-free and you can withdraw whenever you want. Now Wealthsimple gives you two investing options. First, self-directed, and the other one is managed portfolios. In self-directed, basically you can pick which stocks you are buying and you have more control over your money. In managed portfolio, Wealthsimple simply picks the stocks for you, and then eventually you have to pay some fees for their services. Now I prefer self-directed. I like having control over my money and I don't want to pay any management fees. Even as a beginner, it is easier than you ever thought, and over 3 years my portfolio has grown nicely. When you open an account, they'll ask you for some verification stuff, which include your name, SIN number, job information, etc. Just fill that up. And if you have any trouble doing that, just let me know. I'll make a video on that as well. Now you are ready to add your money for investment. You can link your bank account and transfer your money directly. I usually use this process because it's way more convenient and fast. But now you can set up an auto deposit as well, like $100 every paycheck, so you don't have to worry that your money is coming and investing in that or not. Just to make sure you know your TFSA and RRSP limits. Going over that means getting hit by plenty of pieces, and nobody wants that, so just be careful. And if you are confused about your limits, here is a simple breakdown that you can look. Pause the video and go through it. Okay, let's say your account is funded now and you wanted to buy your first ever stock or ETF. If this sounds confusing to you, stocks, ETF, don't worry, I'll make another video on that as well. Now you are not sure like what stock to buy and where to invest. These all things seems to be confusion because you are still beginner and you don't have any knowledge. Don't worry about that. I personally love ETFs, and now what ETFs mean is like a bucket of different stocks that diversify your portfolio, and it's comparatively less riskier because if one stock is going down, other would be going up, so your chances of risk will be reduced. And there are some famous ticker symbols that have a great portfolio and track record of providing profits to their investors, like VFE, S&P 500. I'm sure that you might hear these terms before in your life. Now there is a very big problem. Let's say I wanted to buy a share of Google or Nvidia. They are $125 or $124 or something like that, but I don't have that chunk of money to invest in right now. So what can I do? Should I avoid investing? The answer is no. You can buy like fractional stock too. If you invest $1 in Google, you would be an owner of $1 worth of the Google. So you can buy stocks in fractions. Whenever you wanted to waste some money, just throw into your investment account and just buy some stocks. Eventually it's gonna be boost up and then you'll see the results. That's what I did when I started investing with just like $50. There is another option of limit order. What does this exactly mean? It means that, let's say the stock is going down in future, some news are coming, or maybe some data shows that it will be down, it is overpriced right now. Let's say this stock is like $143 right now, and then you want to buy it when it drops to $110. You can just simply set that up, and when the stock touches the line of $110, your buying order will be automatically executed. Honestly, if you wanted to build wealth on autopilot, there are some options that you can explore too. Set recurring investments, like set a goal that you wanted to invest this amount of money monthly or bi-weekly. This will automatically help you to do dollar cost average, and eventually in the long run you'll remain profitable. The second step is turn on the dividend reinvestment. So let's say this company is giving you some money to invest in their account, like because you are a shareholder of that specific stock of that company, then you will get some money depending upon the company policies. It could be quarterly, yearly, or maybe monthly. If you set dividend reinvestment, it's gonna be automatically buying stocks of that share. That's how you grow your wealth long term without moving your fingers. Now let's say you need some cash and you wanted to take your money out. It's so simple. Just sell the stock that you wanted to sell, and then you can withdraw your money directly in your bank account. It's so simple and easy. That's why I love Wealthsimple. Now here is the best part. If you are opening a self-directed account, you'll be paying 0% fees on that. But if you are going for the managed, it will usually take 0.5 to 0.75%, depending upon what kind of managed portfolio or management you are taking at that time. If you wanted to avoid that, I highly recommend you to just go for self-directed. It's so simple, and I'll be making a full series that where to invest in, how you can do your research, and how you can analyze any catastrophic condition that is going to happen to stock market. I'm going to be explaining all the things that I knew, I researched about, so that you can become financially literate too. One thing that I want you to keep in mind while buying a stock is that if you are buying a US stock, you have to pay 1.5% conversion fee. That is the only thing that I don't like about Wealthsimple. But if your portfolio, let's say, grows up to $100,000, you won't be paying that conversion fees. Plus, if you buy their premium subscription, which is like $10 a month, then eventually you won't be paying that fees too. But in the beginning, I won't recommend you to do that. Now there are some bonus features that Wealthsimple has. First one is the cash, and the second one is crypto. In cash, you can simply open your account like you do in your bank, and then you can earn high interest. But if you are a Muslim, then I won't recommend you to do that, because in Islam, interest is prohibited. So just kindly avoid that if you could. In addition to that, you'll get a free debit card from them too. And also, I was watching them, there was 1% cashback that if you spend your money through that debit card, you can earn that too. And yes, there are crypto buying features there as well. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies from their platform directly. If you are a beginner and you don't want a hassle to have a separate exchange for that, this is the option for you. Now there is a question that we are putting our money in an app, whether it is safe or not. I wanted to tell you that yes, it's completely 100% safe, and the reason is it is regulated by CIPF and CDIC for regular investments and CATs, but keep in mind that's not for crypto. Plus, you can enable two-factor authentication for peace of mind, of course. So the last question is that, is Wealthsimple worth it? And my personal answer is 100%. I saw my money grow so magically that I would say sometimes I got 100% profit in my stocks as well. I don't want you to reveal that, but it happened in the past years. So if you are new to Canada and you have zero knowledge about investing, you want zero fees, and you want an easy app to do all the stuff, then Wealthsimple is for you. It's 100% worth it. And there is a bonus tip. If you use my referral link or the referral code which is on the screen, then you'll get $25 when you deposit your first dollar in your account. That's kind of bonus for you. And if you are still confused about TFSA, RRSP and FHSA, then just wait. I'll make a video on that. If you want that, just drop a comment and I'll explain each and everything in a simple way for you. Until then, take care of you and your family and start taking action today so that you don't have to regret in your future.